a sound this is. 510 brake horsepower. This is the Range Rover Sport, Autobiography, Dynamic, the 5-litre supercharger. And like I said, with 510 brake horsepower, the sound performance that this car produces is absolutely unbelievable. Now this is a very bespoke Range Rover. It has been modified to look absolutely stunning, and that's exactly what it is. It's a cracking car, just made a bit better. 50,000 miles, 2014 registration, but it's that supercharged engine. Today with the live pricing, this car's 39,990. Now just very quickly, I just want to put this out there because this car is modified, and whenever you're buying a modified car, there's always going to be a couple of things or a few things that just maybe isn't going to work like it should. Now I am going to try and touch on as much as possible, but if it is a massive concern to you that some of the things that aren't going to be active, then do get in touch and let us know, and we'll be happy to put it in more detail. But remember, this has got a fully bespoke front end on it. This full bumper is modified with the bigger grills, bigger sections, not Land Rover approved obviously, but someone who's going to buy this car and likes the way this car looks, likes it because of this. So some of the things, one is the adaptive cruise control and something to do with the cruise control. All the radars behind here in effect won't play the same part because these are different to your sort of standard Land Rover bumpers. But let's talk about how nice the car is. You've got the LED daytime running lights, full xenons, the black styling pack on it, which is the badges, the grills, LEDs everywhere. They're just strips of LED lights and it just looks mega. That flared front bumper, air breathers. You've then got the 22-inch stealth alloy wheels finished in high gloss black, the yellow brake calipers, fixed side step, and I haven't even mentioned the colour, Causeway grey metallic, which is a beautiful colour, and the fleck in it is awesome. It's an incredible car. High gloss black bonnet vents, side vents, mirror covers, window surrounds, blacked out windows, and then you got comfort access. So as you walk up to the car, it unlocks, and as you walk away, you press that and it locks for you. It is an autobiography, so remember, you've got a cracking car already with an amazing engine, but then you've got all these other bits on it. So the autobiography gives you that upgraded perforated seat with electric seats, memory seats, lumbar support, everything. I love that dark interior with a dark top dash as well. This has got, they cost nearly £3,500, the upgraded 1700 watt Meridian sound system, which is the extra speakers, just better quality. All this is leather, again stitched there. Dashboard, you've got obviously navigation, Bluetooth, DV digital radio, front and rear heated seats. If you go on here, you can see you've got ventilated seats, and my personal favourite, you've got massaging seats. You can program them differently if you want the back to go, the base. So massaging seats, heated seats, ventilated seats. It's just got everything. Heated steering wheel. Now all this works perfectly fine. Remember, it's the modifications like the bumpers that plays the part, that takes away the adaptive cruise, any of the sensors, like collision warning maybe, that kind of stuff. But this is all absolutely working the way it should be. In the autobiography, you get the Alcantara roof lining. You've got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. There's a fridge down here with more USBs and 12-volt socket. And look at this. Fantastic car, just gets better. And I have kids, so I can relate to this. Full rear entertainment with remote, with Bluetooth wireless headsets, DVD players. I mean, this is amazing. The car's got 50,000 miles, and if you look at the condition, the back of the seats, the seat itself, the door cards, everything is in a particularly nice condition. It's been so well looked after. And like I said, things like this, the rear entertainment, the larger screens, the sunroof, it's just, I love it. And then this is the final piece, the back end. So from the back, because this has got the 2020 rear lighting system in it, so from the back you wouldn't know this is 2014. It almost looks like a 2019 or 20 model because it has the new facelift rear lights on it. So that's LED lighting with a mirrored effect and the LED indicators. You've then got that humongous rear bumper with a quad pipe styling there, F1 style rear diffuser. And again, because it has that bigger bumper on the back, this car does have a tow bar, but the tow bar is non-active because that's in the way, because normally it tucks out. So there is a tow bar there, but it's not working, just to let you know. Reversing camera system, you've got automatic tailgate. Look at the condition of this, it's absolutely brilliant. Everything about it, it's been such a good car. Someone's going to get a lot of car here. I mean, a lot of car for the money. This car will have cost a fortune brand new because of what it is, because it's autobiography, because it's supercharged. And then remember, all the bits that I've shown you, the kit, none of it's cheap. It's a lot of money's worth. So if you're looking for a car that's very much individual, that is bespoke, that sounds incredible, that performs well, that's been looked after, then this is the car. At 13,990, you won't find another one. That is the truth. Now, I've mentioned it twice, third and final time. The car has been modified. There is some parts of this car that won't be active, like some of the sensors, the adaptive cruise, the rear tow bar. That doesn't make this a bad car, because someone who buys this car isn't really interested in that adaptive cruise control, isn't interested in towing, because the car's that nice. It's a modified Range Rover, but it's a cracking car. It's got service history. We put a full 12 months MOT on it. It's a wonderful machine at 39,990. The centre dash, the driver's seat, the upholstery, no, it's not collapsed, the foam's there. Amazing. And that alone's worth 39,990. What a car this is. Just come back to stock. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This car probably won't last more than 24 hours, and we all know it, because just look at it. If you stand from the front top one last time and just go down, is that not the meanest looking front end you've seen in a Range Rover, followed by a facelifted rear end of it? Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.